back to my channel. Today I have Nehemiah with me and he's going to help me do a little unboxing. The latest craft that we started is buddy making. So we're going to unbox the package that we got today. So Nehemiah, go ahead. We ordered this off eBay and it comes with the machine to do the buttons. It came with 1,000 pieces. You can get them from other places like Amazon, eBay like us, but I will let you know that from what I'm hearing, the places like Amazon and eBay, some of their items are not, well, most of the button making items are not American made. And when you run out of the pieces, I'm hearing that it's hard to find pieces that will fit your machine. So it's best if you go ahead and buy one that is American made. And some of the places that I've learned about since buying my machines are Button Boy and American Button Online. I believe that's the name. But we're going to go ahead and set it up and work with ours. It comes with some instructions. This is the second one that I've recently purchased. This one is the 1.25 button. And the first one that I purchased was 2.25. I wanted a smaller size and I wanted a semi bigger size. So the first, it comes with all the pieces. Just a second. The first thing that Nehemiah is going to do, this is the baseboard, and you can go ahead and tear this brown paper off of it, or you can leave it on there. I don't think it makes a difference, but for the first one that we got, we left our paper on, so for this one, we're actually going to go ahead and take it off. I just like the look of it with it off. They're really easy to put together. My daughter did a summer internship at our local library this past summer, and they have one, so she was real familiar with it, and she was able to put it together okay. So Nehemiah watched, and he's pretty confident that he can put this one together by himself, but I'm going to help out just a little bit so we don't make this video longer than it needs to be. There's something in there. Yes. Okay. So wait just a second. I think the screws need to be put in there first. These are the screws. And they come with a little, I don't know what you call it, but I think you use it to screw the things down. They have the little washer. This goes down. And then the screw goes. Okay. I think that's the way it goes. Wait a minute. That one right there, baby. The little brown one. Where does this go? Ooh. Oh, no. It's okay, baby. Just. And don't. Where'd that pen go? Oh, it's backwards. It goes like that. So I think we've got it put together now. It came with this little circle cutter. It has a little blade at the end. We're going to try and cut some pieces of the scrapbook paper just to practice to see how it goes. Just turn all the way around. Okay. Let's see. Like that. Let's do another one. Okay, so we've got a couple of these cut out, and I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit, and Nehemiah's going to demonstrate how it works. You're going to get the first thing you're going to do is grab one of the little shells. These are the shells. And Nehemiah ran off. coming back. I got it, baby. This is what it looks like. So, go ahead. Okay, so you put it down in its little place. And then you take your paper and you put it down. And one trick that I learned with my first button maker, if you don't get that circle quite big enough, your button will mess up. It's not going to wrap around it. And then these are what they call the milers. Be careful when you're picking them up because they're so thin and sometimes two will be stuck to it. So you lay that down on top of it. Here, I'll get it. And then these are the back of the buttons. And it goes face down like this. One second. Okay, so Nehemiah's going to go ahead and make a button for us. Take it all the way down. Let's see what it does. Something's not quite right. And we have a button. That's all we have for today. If you have any questions about our button machine and where we got it from and anything else, let us know.